In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your account settings in BearPulse. Once you're logged into BearPulse, locate the menu button with your name on it in the top right of the screen and click. In the drop-down menu, select Profile. This will take you to your profile page. Your profile contains a summary of your BearPulse activity, including your group memberships, service learning courses, and a snapshot of your service and engagement hours. To edit your profile information in your privacy settings, click on the green Edit Profile button on the top right. This will take you into the account information editing form. As you can see, there are a variety of different types of information you can include in your account based on your preferences. If you click through the various buttons on the left navigation menu, you'll see a series of options. It's your choice how much information you choose to enter into your account, but I do want to draw your attention to some useful fields. Under Basic Info, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see the option of entering multiple email addresses. Although you must keep a Mercer email address linked to your account in order to be part of the Mercer BearPulse network, you can add a personal email to your account if that's your preferred method of communication. And for students who are approaching graduation, you'll definitely want to add a secondary email address so that you can maintain access to your BearPulse account and all the activity that you've logged. Two areas that we do very strongly encourage students to fill out information in is in the research and causes and skills forms. If you click on research, you'll notice that there are several different categories or areas of research interest that you can select. There are even more opportunities under causes and skills. Faculty and staff can set search parameters based on research interests and causes and skills that students have indicated, which makes it much more likely that you will receive opportunities to participate in projects that align with your own interests and goals.